Make a snow angel.
What?
Make a snow angel right there.
I can't do it.
Why?
Because there's none of the snow right here. And here.
Looks pretty good.
You want to see it?
Yeah. Step out and take a look. Pretty good job. Want to go show us your snowman?
What?
Go show us your snowman.
What?
Show us your snowman.
Right here.
Go look at it. Go show it to me.
I made it myself.
You did?
You see it?
You sure you didn't have any help?
No.
You didn't? I didn't help you?
Nah.
I don't think so.
No, I'm just pretending. Look at my snowman.
Say goodbye.